Hi friends, greetings from Vancouver. It's hard to believe that we've been through a whole year of both Ethos and Explore already. And actually in a few weeks we're going to be gearing up for year number 2 in both of those. I wanted to take just a minute or two to explain, maybe invite you to explore year number 2. We're going to be looking at David Fitch's book called A Faithful Presence. You may have a different cover, or you may have ordered it on Kindle, so it may look a little differently to you, but the content, of course, will be the same. You know, one of the things that I've experienced and maybe learned over the last couple of years about the missional church is that there are 3 components to it that are really important. First, it's formed around mission. You know, this isn't just formed around a people gathering on Sunday, but it's actually God sent people formed around joining him on mission. Secondly, they're shaped by practices. It's not just that we sort of have this haphazard existence together, but rather in community we're shaped by a series or a set of practices that we engage in together. And thirdly, and probably most importantly, this isn't in our own strength. We're empowered by the Spirit. We're formed around mission, shaped by practices, and empowered by the Spirit. Now, why do I tell you those 3 things? That's what this book, Faithful Presence, is all about. In fact, in it, David talks about 7 different practices that are used by the Spirit of God to shape his people into a community of his people so that they might join him on mission. I'd love to have you join us each month as we talk about a different chapter, a different practice, and see how that might look, putting that into practice for your church. Look forward to a new year together starting in just a few weeks.